In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change invoice number in QuickBooks. If you've ever created an invoice and realized the number is incorrect, or you want to organize your invoices with a custom numbering system, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to fix it inside QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Sales. After opening the Sales section, select Invoices. This page will show you a list of all the invoices you've created in your account. Now, find the invoice whose number you want to change. Scroll through the list if needed, and once you locate the invoice, simply click on it. This will open the invoice details. After the invoice opens, click on the Edit button. This will open the invoice editor where you can modify different parts of the invoice, including customer information, products, prices, and the invoice number. However, in many cases, QuickBooks automatically generates invoice numbers and doesn't allow manual editing unless custom numbering is enabled. So before changing the invoice number, you need to make sure the custom transaction numbering feature is turned on. To enable this feature, close the invoice editor and go back to the main dashboard. Then, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. From the Settings menu, click on Account and Settings. Inside the Account and Settings page, select the Sales tab from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you find a section called Sales Form Content. In this section, look for the option called Custom Transaction Numbers. By default, this option may be turned off because QuickBooks automatically assigns numbers to transactions. Click the Edit icon next to this option and enable Custom Transaction Numbers. Once you turn it on, click Save, and then click Done to exit the settings page. Now that custom numbering is enabled, go back to the Sales section and click on Invoices again. Open the same invoice you want to modify and click Edit. This time, when the invoice editor appears, you will be able to edit the invoice number field. Simply click inside that field and type the new invoice number you want to use. For example, you might want to change it to something like INV 1050 or any numbering format that fits your system. Just make sure the number you enter hasn't already been used by another invoice. QuickBooks does not allow duplicate invoice numbers, so every invoice must have a unique identifier. Once you've entered the new invoice number, review the rest of the invoice to make sure everything looks correct. After that, click Save. Your invoice number is now successfully updated, and the change will be reflected in your invoice records. Changing invoice numbers can be useful when you want better organization, when migrating records from another system, or when fixing numbering mistakes. And that's exactly how to change invoice number in QuickBooks, step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and practical QuickBooks tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.